come forward. So Archana is going to share with us her experience of what she feels moving back that many years, and how does she feel, how comfortable do you feel today?
Really nice, and special thanks to Shubha Aunty who encouraged me to take part in this.
Please stop in Sindhi, Archana, by popular demand.
जहाँ अज मौको मिलो आहे सिंधी लिबास खे अज सभी के साम्हूं मूंखे दिखाने वास्ते.
Thank you all so much. I request our president to please come and give her the gift. Give her a round of applause, ladies. This is our Aaj Ki Nari. So what do you think? What do you think is more in style? What you're wearing or what Archana has done? So she agrees. So next time she's going to dress as ethnically as Anshu. So let's give as Archana. So let's give her a round. Let's hear it out for Anshu. We have her as our first runner-up. Thank you. We are going to have all our participants please step forward. We have small gifts for them as well. Pooja, what's your name, dear? We have Vidhi, Dimple, Deepa, Namrata, Mansi, Prachi. Raise your hands. Somebody will come and give you the tickets. It's 100 rupees for a ticket. There are lots of exciting gifts to be won for the same. We also had lucky draw, which was a microwave. How many of you have bought tickets for the microwave? We had a lucky draw for the microwave. How many of you have put in your name? I'm just about to pick up the lucky winner for the microwave. Who wants to go ahead with the microwave today? Okay, let me see how lucky you're going to be. Pooja, can I have you come up with the names of the microwave winners, the chicks? Anybody still wants to try their luck for the microwave? It's just 200 rupees a ticket for the microwave. So all you know, I'll drop it on top and pick up your name. You might be the lucky one. So ladies, can I have some silence for your partner? It is about to be 7-1. 8 Anya, she gets her prize. When she goes, she's going to collect the number. Star. And show that German girls and Indian, which is a fun film straight. And that was just to get you to quieten down. So all of you please settle down. We're just about to begin. I will be calling the number only once. If you missed the bus, you missed it. When you are ready to claim a prize, please stand in your place and say yes loudly. I will come in the front. It won't help because the mic, there's a small little speaker which is kept in the corner. I can't do much. Are you ready? Are we ready to keep quiet and play? Okay, only if we keep quiet we can proceed. Alright, eyes down for Jaldi 7. 4 corners, 3 lines and 3 houses. I call for the Jaldi 7. 5 and 3, 53. 5 and silence, please. Okay, finally we have the normal sound back.
5, 3, 53. Woo! Let me next number.
8 and 5, 85.
8 and 5, 85.
All the 5s, 55.
5, 5, 55.
2 and 4, 24.
2 and 4, 24.
1 and 8, 18.
1 and 8, 18.
4 and 6, 46.
4 and 6.
One moment. No, leave it.
I'll announce for the car number KA04MG 2944 10. 5 and 0, 50. 3 and 5, 35. 8 and 3, 83. 2 and 7, 27. Ladies at the Mehndi section, do realize there are others who are concentrating, please. Lucky for some and lucky for some. 1 and 3, 13. 5 and 2, 52. 1 and 5, 15. 4 and 9, 49. 2, 4, 3, 5, 49. 52, 55, 64 and 85. That is the Jaldi 7. Thank you. I now call for the 4 corners and the 3 lines. 5 and 8, 58. That is for the last line. 13, 27, 49, 68 and 87. The name please? Chaya. The last line has been taken. Now I call for the 2 lines and 4 corners. 87 was the last number called. 3 and 8, 38. 5 and 1, 51. I hear a yes at 51. I now call for the middle line and the 4 corners. We now eyes down for the middle line and 4 corners. 4 and 1, 41. 8 and 6, 86. 7. 2 and 1, 21. 6. आप प्राइस शेयर करो तो मैं दे दूंगी आपको. 6 and 5, 65. 2 fat ladies, 8 and 8, 88. 5 and 9, 59. Last of the teens, 1 and 9, 19. All the threes, 33. I hear a yes at 33. That's a call for the middle line. We'll just confirm that. I now call for the 4 corners and the 3 houses. 3 and 4, 34. I say I'm 16 always. All the ones, 11. 7 and 1. Okay, I hear on 11 I saw 2 people rise up. We'll give it to them because I haven't get it. On 11, okay, I need to see that on 11. Eight and 4, 84. Nobody sweating for the first house? Yeah, I can't shake all these, huh? My hand is clean. 6 and 3, 63. 2 and 8, 28. I hear a call on 28. 6, 8, 15, 19, 28, 34, 38, 43, 53, 55, 63, 67, 71, 73, and 85. I have a play 62, 68, 71, 77, 82, and 90. Shobha madam? This is Heath Chawla who wins the 3rd prize. I have a couple of consolation prizes. Do not throw away your tickets. 7 and 0, 70, 39. I hear a yes on 39. 3, 7, wait, let me check the ticket. 13, 24, 36, 39, 43, 48, 52, 59, 67, 73, 77, 83, and 87. She's right. 8, 57. Okay, I have another prize. So if you maintain silence, I will give it to you. 63, 79, 80, 83, and 86. 6, 11, 18, 25, 33, 43, 49, 57, 64, 68, 77, 79, 85, and 86. 3, 5, 11, 16, 27, 34, 38, 41, 46, 55, 61, 64, 77, 79, and 81, sorry. So all the 3 claims are right. We'll give away their gifts to them. Your names, please. Okay, who is celebrating their birthday today? And I need a proof, okay? I don't give away things just like that. I'm a very shrewd person. Anyone celebrating their birthday today? Who's celebrating their anniversary today? Who's celebrating the anniversary tomorrow because it's T3? It's really your birthday? You're taking me for a party? Okay, then I'll not check her proof, I'll just give it to her. So she's invited us for lunch tomorrow. Unfortunately, we all are not going to be eating. Dinner. So very easy, very convenient.
One party is due one.
So we'll give her a birthday wishes in advance. Thank you for joining us. I can't help you. take it the other way. Who has the maximum number of uncalled numbers on their ticket? Okay, what is? Okay, I'll decide. Hold on, calm down. Calm down. 6 numbers? Then you were sleeping if it is 15 numbers. 6 numbers, not called. 7 numbers. Who has 7 unmarked numbers? 7 numbers? No? 6 numbers? Okay, there are quite a few of you. No, huh? Please, no, ऐसे नहीं होता है, मैं decide करूँगी. Okay, 6 numbers, how many of you stand up? 6 numbers called, but not called on your tickets.
6 numbers are there in your list.
I will identify one of you who's got something special since it's the occasion of tea tree. I would want to, at least one of you to have something on you which symbolizes tea tree because you've come here to celebrate tea tree, right? So some suhag ka nishani, either you're wearing your Mangal Sutra or you're wearing long jhumkas or payal or sindoor. That's my way of identifying. Thodi sindoor suhag ka nishani hai. What are you wearing? Okay, she's wearing a tori. She's wearing Mangal Sutra. Anklets is not suhag ki nishani.
Not Cindy. Maybe everybody is wearing, yeah? Who said maybe?
And you have 6 numbers not called. Then who? It's only for people who've not got 6 numbers called.
6 numbers.
6 number. जिनके ticket में 6 number नसा देलान. हुना माँ उनके ये कुछ करो हो जाओ extra. उन्हें जिला prize है. सबनी जिला open ना ये prize. Please go back all of you.
मुश्किल को शाही वाला रंग लगाया. मुश्किल को शाह बेड़ा आने लगा झूले ना लड़े. मुश्किल को मुश्किल को शाह बेड़ा आने लगा झूले ना लड़े. सिमरी जा
सभी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली का पहला नंबर अली दम मस्ते अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली का पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर
अली दा पहला
अली का पहला नंबर
अली दा पहला सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे.
हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे.
हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे.
हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे.